Hey guys, Misfit Motors SCT. Haven't really done a video in too awfully long, but it's been a little bit. I got a new truck. 1987 Dodge Ram D150. Can't really see it there too well, but them are the original miles. Got it for $1,000. I'll show you the outside of it in the back of the field, but as of right now, we're going to take it for a little spin. It's got the manual choke right there. You got to pull that out every time you try and fire it up. Kind of a pain in the arse. I think we got it. Cold-blooded, just like all Dodges. But it runs good. Runs great. It's got a 318 in it that originally come out of a 71 Dodge motorhome. This truck originally had a 3.7 liter V6. So, sorry, this might be kind of bad quality. This is, all you guys who have watched any more of my videos, as you all know that my phone's kind of rough, but we're gonna take it for a little drive to the back of the field and back. So hopefully it don't stall out. It shifts kind of hard. Truck used to be a wood truck and scrap metal truck, and he put 4,000 pounds in the back at a time, so the rear shocks are a little rough. I am the second owner of this truck. The back of the field here gets a little bit gnarly. Gonna get kind of rough right here. Yep, rides like a tank, but it is one, so I am not complaining. I love riding in this thing. Gotta love non-power brakes. When I say that, though, I'm actually not being sarcastic. I actually do like them. Thinking this is a good spot to get outside here and show you a walk-around view. Come on there. Sometimes if you don't take the key out, it's kind of funky, so it don't wanna. Ignition don't want to turn. It's kind of windy here. Not at this moment, but it picks up on and off, and somebody's target practicing back there. As long as they ain't shooting at me, I'm fine with it. But got some paint chipping on it. But it's an old Dodge. All that right there is surface rust. That's not going through at all. All just surface rust. There's no rust on the bottom either. That my dad's 02 Avalanche has more rust on the bottom than this does. It's got a nice bed. It's my tool kit. Got a spare gas can right there. Don't need it or anything because it don't have a leak. But it's just kind of nice to have. Gotta love the NRA. I know there's a lot of people out there who feel really strongly about gun control and gun rights. Personally, I support gun control to a fairly minimal extent. I think background checks and all that are good, and there's some people who really shouldn't have guns. But in my opinion, taking guns away from innocent people is not going to protect innocent people. Criminals don't obey laws. You make guns illegal, and criminals are still going to get them. The law-abiding citizens won't have them. It just don't really make much sense to me, but that's just something I thought y'all should know. But we're going to hop back in the truck here, and hope you guys could hear it run. It's pretty quiet. I'm going to put some glass packs on the thing, and probably 4-barrel carb in a couple of years. Because right now it's just a double-barrel carb. See if we can start it without choking it. Usually not. Don't really know why. But it's an old Dodge. It's cold-blooded. Hey! Gotta let it idle for just a sec before we can put it in gear. Needs an oil change pretty quick. I might get a video of that. Not sure. As some of you know, my inspiration to do this channel was Ed's Garage, his YouTube channel. You guys need to check it out. Y'all love it. The reason I got hooked on his channel was a certain truck. It was a 1986 Ford F-250 with 6.9 IDI diesel. And it's one of my favorite trucks out there. And I just loved it. I wanted to get one of those. Just come across this deal and just couldn't let it go. So, and if you're watching this, you're not the only one with a cool little rig on YouTube anymore. So, I'll do another video later on probably, and we are over and out.